Hey guys, welcome back to Tools and Build. My name is Mario, and today I have a little project to show you. Let me start by saying why I decided to do this little project. We have a swimming pool in the backyard, and my wife and kids love music. So when they're outside in the pool, they love to put the radio on, and I'm okay with it. So what I did was I went on Facebook garage sale and Kijiji, and I found a great radio, very cheap, like this. This one right here, from Rigid. The radio is water resistant, so if you want to put it near the pool, you could get it wet. It's perfect and it's loud. The only problem about that is the radio was meant to be in my cabin outside. When they're in the water, you open the door and you put it on and you blast the radio on, and it is quite loud. But sometimes our neighbors, who also have pools, like to put their radio, and then there's competition between which radio is louder and which one's not, and back and forth, back and forth. So what happens is, my kids, they take the radio and they put it near the pool, and it's great. When the battery dies, they go in, they grab the extension, they plug it, and the party continues. That's great. The only thing about that is when the party is over, it's me or my wife have to go clean their mess, which is put the radio back or put the extensions back. So I decided that I wanted to put not surround sound, but speakers around my cabin, so the radio will never be able to come out again. I went online and I found these little. They're not waterproof, but they're water resistant. And I'm gonna connect these straight to the radio. Now this radio was quite cheap. I found it for $50 on eBay, Facebook. Sorry, not eBay. On Facebook garage sale. And you can go to Kijiji, or if you have one at home, you could do the same way. One side of the radio is connected. Now I'm going to show you how to connect the other side. The first thing that's the most important is make sure the power is completely off. Don't need to get electrocuted for a simple project like this. First step is you gotta take the speaker off like I did. Second, you have to find which is speaker wire. And the speaker wire on this one is the big fat red one and the big fat black one, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah. Now, what I did was, if you see here, I drill a hole in the side and I put this wire granite. You don't have to put the wire protection. I just put it to make it look nicer. You could just drill a hole and put it in. And you take your wires. This wire is made for speaker. You pass it in, and you pass it here to the wire grommet, like so. Now I'm not that sure, because I remember what was the other side. It's the red, fat red, and the fat black. These wires has bare, and this one has a white line and clear. The clear wire, I'm going to attach it to the red. Sorry, the clear and black wire connect to the black. Now what I did is I'm gonna put these terminals, but you don't have to. You could just cut the wire and put electric tape. It won't be as great as a connection, but it will do the job. Here we go, that's one side. Now, let's do this better. Here's your connection. Now the thing about these terminals is it comes with these. These, you put the wire here, you clip it, the metal cuts the wire and gives a connection, and then there's this edge, you connect it here. These I bought it off Wish. I seen them in some Canadian Tires, but Wish they have. It's very good. I'll show you. As you can see, this one is the red. You might need some help with a pair of pliers. Okay. That one didn't work out like it should. That was a fail. Let's start over. You can't leave this one. Let's try again. This goes like so. There you go. That's one. Now we're going to do the other one. The red. Now we're going to do the black. The black is the big fat one. This goes like this. And they're both done. So the clear is going to go right in the black. The clear with the white lines are going red. These are done. Then the speaker itself has black and red. So the way that works is the clear is black. So you press this nozzle down and you put the clear. I'm just gonna cut off a bit. It's too much. And the clear with the white line is red, same thing. Pop. There it goes in. The black one is too big. I'm gonna cut a bit off. Okay, now both of them are on. We're gonna plug it in and see if it works. See if it works. Power is on. No. Let's find a station. And 5.9.
Sedan with premium package from only $419 per month. Take one for a spin today at your Mercedes-Benz dealer. Visit mbqc.ca.
A career in electricity is...
And here you go. You have a radio that you could put in your cabana and put the speakers around your shed. I already how can I say this? I did the holes already in my shed where the speakers are gonna go. Because it's aluminum, the aluminum has no wood support. These are going on top of the aluminum. Speakers are gonna go in here, and we're gonna put it on. So we're gonna go out now. Take this. First, I'm gonna close my radio, put the speakers back to where it was, and we're gonna go outside. Put it in the hole. Hold on. I'm gonna push the wire. Can you reach this one? Yeah. Okay. And then, see the screws? Yeah. Make sure the radio is like this. Okay. Don't fall on the camera. Tell me when it's in so I can hold it. Then. Okay. Go screw it.
shit.
What?
Crooked. Hold up.
Can you push it out?
Yeah, just give me 2 seconds.
Ow.
Okay.
Good?
Yeah.
Is it flush?
Yep.
It's good. You have it?
Yeah.
Okay. Screw all 4.
Got in my nose.
See if it works. This is power. This one goes like this. Where's the remote? Are you taping me or are you watching the phone?
Both.
Where's the radio? Ready?
Yep.
Let's go to 95.9. So, as you can see, it works better than I thought. It's loud. So, if you guys are interested, I picked up the radio, like I said, was on Facebook garage sale. It's not waterproof, it was water resistant, but you can buy any radio you want. The speakers, I wanted flush mount, and those I found it on Kijiji. They're not waterproof, they're water resistant, and you can find other models that you could just hang it on the walls of your shed. Mine is flush mount, so it works great. My whole project costed me less than $50. So if you want the radio to stay indoors and have music outdoors, it's the perfect way, the cheapest way. If you like my video, please press like. If you have any ideas better than mine, I'd like to hear it. So please share, press like, and hopefully I see you next week for another little tools and bit video. And by the way, before I forget, my last video I did the soldering kit for the Mini Cooper keys, and that was a fail. And I told you from the beginning, it failed, not fail. I was gonna do it. My little girl gave me the other set keys, and this one the button seems to be working perfect, but still battery's dead. And hopefully next week I have time to solder the other battery that I have right here and see if that will work. If not, my little girl has to buy 2 new keys, which will cost about $100 a pop. So hopefully $15 will do the trick. Thank you very much, and once again, if you like my video, press like, share, leave me your comments, and I'll answer back. Tools and Built. Bye.